Is your Google Pixel always on display not showing up? This often happens due to display settings, battery options, or system glitches. In this video, I'll show you a few ways to fix it on your Pixel. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Make sure Always On Display is enabled. First, confirm the feature is turned on. Open Settings on your device. Then go to Display and Touch. Enable Always Show Time and Info. Now, tap Lock Screen. Scroll down and enable Lift to check phone. Also enable Tap to check phone. This improves always-on display responsiveness. After that, lock your phone and check again. Solution 2. Disable Battery Saver and Extreme Battery Saver. Battery Saver disables always-on display automatically. Open Settings on your device, scroll down and tap Battery. Then tap Battery Saver and turn off Battery Saver. Also, turn Extreme Battery Saver off. Always On Display will not work properly when these modes are enabled. That's it, your Pixel's Always On Display should now work perfectly. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Pixel tips. See you in the next video.